Get the keyboard, letters everywhere. When you're here in tech class, sit straight up in your chair. The keyboard's got numbers and the alphabet too. Letters like X, Y, Z, and E, D, Q. I'm gonna learn my home row. I'm gonna take it real slow. I'm gonna learn those keys like the back of my hand. Typing 80 words a minute.